Hey, welcome back to Grilling and Stuff. My name's Manny. Today we're going to be doing bacon and egg. All right, first thing we're going to do is cut this bacon with a really sharp knife. I like to cut my bacon into about inch sliced pieces. That way I can have a good texture in my egg. As you can tell, my knife is really sharp, so it's not slipping. It's going straight through, nice and easy. All right, and now we go to the cast iron. All right, what you want to do is light your oven to about medium heat. As you can see, there's a little bit of water. That's gonna help at the beginning sort of like steam boil the bacon, and it's gonna help it definitely not burn. And once the steam evaporates, then you're gonna get all this nice bacon fat, bacon grease that just coats it. And it's basically, you know, when you're cooking bacon and you always think, my second round is better than my first. Well, this will help solve that. You'll get really good bacon all throughout. As this comes up slowly to temperature, you're gonna see that fat really start melting. And you can really turn up the heat at the start to get if you're in a hurry, you can really speed up the process and heat it quickly. At the start of this, I like to be about medium high. And as the water starts evaporating, I start lowering it slowly to, at the end, we'll be at about medium. All right, stirring around, making sure everything's getting heated. I'm about 2 minutes in, and you can tell this gas stove really gets the heat going. You could also tell that the bacon's starting to release this little bit of fat here. It's a good thing. That's what we're looking for. That's what we want. You know, like for me, I feel like this is just slightly too hot. So then you just adjust. The good thing too is that with this water method, you can take the time to clean the dishes you've dirtied while preparing this bacon. Today's Alyssa's first day back at work, and I know she'll definitely appreciate not coming home to dishes. All right, I'm back after about 2 minutes, and you can tell that nothing's burnt. My dishes are cleaned and dried. All right, so I think this time I just put a little too much water, but no problem. You know, it's gonna evaporate. I don't know exactly how much to say to put in, but just enough to have every piece of bacon with a little bit of water. I think in this case, I was sort of covering the bacon with water, and I guess you just don't really want to do that. You want to put maybe, let's say, like halfway up the bacon, and that should be good enough. As you can tell here, we're getting there. It's just going to take you a little while longer. It's a good thing I have plenty of time today. All right, now we can definitely tell that a lot more of the water has evaporated, and this is, I'm guessing, a little bit more than 50% fat now. So we're cooking now. At this point, I'm gonna go ahead and start just lowering it just a small amount. Once this bacon starts cooking a little faster, you're gonna need to just pay a little more attention to it, keep it moving. You know, some people like charred flavor, but I don't really like charred flavor. I like golden brown, dark brown, caramelized, just not burnt. And keep it moving. For me, once I start noticing that some of my pieces of bacon are sticking, again, that's another time to lower the temp just a little bit more. That's the cool thing about your own personal oven, right? And these little knobs. You can adjust at any moment, at any time, full control of temperature. That's something that makes an oven better than an outdoor grill, or maybe not better, but easier. So when I'm cooking some bacon to mix with egg, I like to cook my bacon just a little bit more crispy. That way it has more texture, more sear to keep the texture once the wet egg comes into play. The wet egg won't make a soggy bacon and you'll have a really nice texture at the end. Also, if you're asking, well, doesn't crispy bacon make the bacon have less flavor because we've cooked out the fat? Well, in this case, we have the fat all around, so we actually aren't losing any flavor, but we will also add texture. So it's the best of both worlds. All right, I'm looking pretty good. I'm gonna lower the temperature just a little bit more. Now I would say I'm at about medium-low heat. I'll grab my eggs. I'm using H-E-B brown eggs. Tap it on a flat surface. Nice and easy. All right, a little trick I've been experimenting with is trying to get the whites to cook a little faster. So I'll try to mix the whites around and not burst. Oh, I just noticed. Oh, good. That would have been nasty. All right, so I try to cook the egg whites first, since those are kind of nasty to me. So I cook them first, which allows me to sort of have like a medium, not really, you know, but sort of egg, the yellow yolky part. All right, I'm almost there. Start mixing it all. Of course, this is scrambled egg, so that's why it's getting scrambled. See, so now my egg whites are mostly all the way cooked. Now I'm just waiting for the yellow to look the way I want. And we're ready to serve. Before I get it off, a little cracked pepper. All right. I don't use any salt because bacon's already pretty salty. All right, time to plate. Can't get away, little bacon. Nice color. The bacon's nice and crispy. Yeah. I think you can hear in the camera, nice and crispy. The eggs looking pretty good and fried. A little bit of black pepper. Good stuff, now time to try it. All right, now it's time to eat. Just a simple, quick breakfast. This took me about 12 minutes. Usually it'll take me 6, like half the time. Again, I use too much water. I think the method really works, but in this case, I just too much water. If that happens to you, you can just spill it. I didn't spill it because of this video, but you could have just, you know, drained it a little bit, make it easier on yourself. All right. Bacon and egg. Good breakfast, bacon and egg. Can't beat a good bacon and egg. All right, I hope you join us next time for some more quick and easy recipes. We will keep doing things like Instapot. That's one of our main categories right now that we're really interested in right now. Some Weber grill. I have a smoker I want to start posting some videos with. Maybe do some simple, you know, pulled pork. brisket. The brisket is not so easy, right? But pulled pork, nice and easy. Ribs. So those will be coming soon. Hope you stick around. All right. See y'all next time at Grilling and Stuff.